Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Windows 11 computer the display is not fitting properly on the screen. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On right side select display. Under the scale and layout select the scale, click on this drop down, change the size of the text and apps and other items. Just need to set by your preferences. And display resolution, adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. You just need to click on this drop down and adjust it one by one which fits your computer better. You just need to select keep changes, or you can also revert back to the original state and reverting to previous display settings in these seconds guys. You don't need to click on anything, that will be revert back, and just need to select it one by one and check which one fits perfectly. And that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.